Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you are all fine and happy. Today we are showing you how to paint your boring walls in a very simple and easy techniques. You can grab a simple sponge and dip it in a paint and make a tile patterns. Another way of paint your wall is draw triangles on the wall. Paint it with simple black paint and it is done. This is a very simple another technique you can use to make your wall more stylish. This is an other idea of make your wall so stunning with pebblestone patches. These patches are available in the market and you can make it by yourself too. This is another technique, very simple technique. You just want a piece of cloth or sponge piece, tap it on the wall and you can make very different or easy patterns with sponge or cloth. This is a basket wave wall and you can make this wall very easily by these simple patterns.